Hi everyone, welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and in today's video we will be doing an unboxing on Luvme hair. So it came UPS. I believe I got a body wave texture, just don't exactly remember, but we're about to find out. So let's see. So you guys, it's in its same normal purple box. It's a bit heavier than normal. So let's see what's in it and start our unboxing, you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video. It is just so pretty. So, of course, came with the hair. Like I got it in 20 inches, you guys. Body wave. It also came with a curling iron. I think it was if you ordered 180 density, at least 180 density, you got a free curling iron, you guys. So here is the barrel. Also, it came with a nude stocking cap. It came with two. There's two nude stocking caps in the package, you guys. And also, it came with this. And inside, we have a comb, some bobby pins, which will be lost eventually, one of these clips, tweezers, a band, and it also came with this. This says affordable luxury wig, so I guess I have to open it to see what it is. That wasn't trying to do. Okay, I believe this is for your edges. Yep, and that's that, you guys. Now let's check out the hair. So it's really thick, I can tell already. And this is body wave. So I'm gonna take this net off. You guys, this hair is really thick and I can tell it's soft. And it's not shedding. Well, I got a couple of hairs, which you probably can't see. But it's barely shedding. It's so soft. And of course, with their wigs, it already comes with this band in it. These elastic bands at the bottom, I hate these, so I'm glad that their wigs come with this band already in it. So you guys, it has two combs on the side, and then it also has a comb like right after the lace parting. It has a comb in the front, and then it also has a comb in the back. I don't like using the comb, so I'll just use the band. And the parting is 13 by 4, you guys. And once again, it's a real pretty hair. It's very thick and it got here really fast, you guys. It got here in under a week. I had put in 2 orders on AliExpress and they both told me they was out of stock after they took my money and everything, which I did get a refund for. And I said, let me just go to Luvme Hair and buy it because I know I will get it without a problem. Came, no problems, in less than a week. So I can't wait to install this, you guys. And once I have it installed, I will be back with a new video. don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video, you guys. Hair's really nice. Show you the hair on. So you guys, I'll be back, and thanks for watching. Bye.